Hi everybody, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and in this video I'm going to unbox my little order from LoveCrafts. Just attacked me. I say little, maybe not. So this may take, this may take some time. Handy pair of scissors and let's get in. Now, I will admit I'm a little bit on the sad side, and before I touched that package I attacked it with the hand sanitizer because I'm being very virus conscious now, and well, can't be too careful, can you? So it's been a while since I ordered this. Now it's not been that long. I mean, not saying that they took ages to deliver it or anything, but you know, I've slept since then, so I kind of don't remember exactly all of the bits and bobs that I ordered. So it's going to be a bit of a surprise to me too. So what have I got? I've never used, let's put my specs on and see what we got. I've never used, believe it or not, Paintbox yarn. So I decided to give some Paintbox yarn a try because it's lovely and soft. That is gorgeous. And I've got my little handy, where are we? Pen light. So I don't have to sort of look at my phone anymore. So this is simply Aran. Lovely lilac colour. It's not very bright though. So the best laid plan. So yeah, obviously Aran is a 4-weight. It's doesn't make me ghostly either. 100 grams, so that's 184 meters or 201 yards, and it's 100% acrylic. I think my little light might run out at this rate. And oops, stay. Got a long way to go, so might end up having to use a phone in the end. Colour is just 245, so that's all you're gonna get from them. But isn't it a lovely colour? And it's so soft, and I didn't bring anywhere to put it, which is not clever. Normally bring a bag and so that I can just pop it in. So I also ordered a few of these little, these are Paintbox yarns, but they're kind of finer. Let's see, what have we got? It's cotton DK, very fine for a DK. Look at that. That's much smaller than any DK I've ever worked with. So 3-weight possibly. This is paper white, colour 401. And it's a cute little ball. Such a little cutie pie. So let's have a look. 50 grams, 100% cotton, 125 meters, 137 yards. And I did order, it's very white, 1, 2, 3. Is there any more in there? God, I'm going to run out of places to stick it. I shouldn't say stick it, should I? And as you can see, I ordered quite a few different Paintbox yarns. I don't know if they're all cotton. They do feel it. Yeah, may have gone a bit over the top, but never mind. Don't we just go over the top when we're ordering? So this is a lovely colour. This is called Kingfisher Blue 435. Details of it all the same as the other one, but wow, I love that colour. Isn't that beautiful? So there's 3 of, is it 3 of those or just 2 of those? Possibly just 2 of those ones. Seeing it, wish I'd ordered more of that. And I've got 4 of this colour. That's a lovely turquoise colour. What's the actual official name of this? Is Marine Blue, and that's 434. Again, all the same details. Aren't they cute little balls? Just so darling little things. So, and I've also got 2 of this lovely kind of well, what's it called? Let's see if it, blood orange. Wow, 420. And I would say, yeah, that's a lovely blood orange. So I should be busy with those. I don't know quite. I had something when I was looking online and seeing all of these lovely little cotton, I had a brainwave. I had a brainwave of something I wanted to make, and now I'm not sure what I can't remember what it was. But oh dear, let's not pull that out. So hopefully it will pop back in my brain at some point. If not, I shall. There is another one. It was in a different bag. So I thought it was a bit odd just to get 2 of those. So what's this? More Paintbox Aran. Simply Aran 4 weight, only in white. And I've got 1, 2, 3. I think I've got quite a few of these because you can never have enough white. I probably had a project in mind. And like I said, when I get one of these brainwaves, and I've got a lovely red. Wow. That's again the same details. Simply Aran 4 weight. 184 meters, 201 yards, 100% acrylic, lovely and soft. Wow. I think, you know, having never used Paintbox before, I think I went a bit mad with the Paintbox. So yeah, I've got another couple of whites in there. So I've got enough for loads of projects. Loads. I'm going to knock this microphone out in a minute if I'm not careful. Just have a quick drink. And this cup was sent to me by one of my subscribers, the lovely Jane, Licorice's mum. Licorice's mum. And yep, all the way from Canada. And it keeps your drink lovely and cold. It's beautiful. So here's my big shipping order notice. Look at that. So actually wasn't as expensive as I imagined. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head. More. And that, no, it's not the end. Heavens, did go mad. Again, Paintbox, Simply Aran. This one is a purple colour. Purple doesn't photograph that well, so it probably won't show as perfectly as it should. Interestingly, the little cotton ones have got names, but these just have numbers. 247. And it is a lovely, it's not too bad a representation, really. Lovely purple. I think what it is, I really wanted some coloured Arans. I've got another one of the lilac-y colour, same colour as before, and black, all the same yardage as before. This colour, I don't know why, I just love this sort of natural colour. It's like a natural stone colour or beige. 207 this is. I didn't give you the colour of the black because it's just black, really. Don't suppose there's too many different, unless you actually really want to know. I suppose I can tell you. It's 201. I might have said it actually. I've got another couple of blacks, so I've got plenty of black, plenty of white, and some colours. So I'll pop that down there. And I've got to dig deep into this bag. Oh, hang on, that fell out. Oh, and they've all fallen out. So I've got a little cotton black one that I didn't sort of put that in with the others. And I've got some on the floor. I'll get them at the end. So here we go, more Simply Aran. You can see I wanted Aran, couldn't you? And I've got this lovely bright red. All of the details are the same. And this is colour number 213. But I really have struggled to get a lovely, vibrant red in Aran. They always seem to come up like a mulberry or a raspberry colour, but I've got a free feather. I bet you're all jealous. Everybody want one of them. And this is more black. Obviously got a nice project in mind. I know what it is now. Well, for the black anyway. And another one of these lovely lilacs. I'm not sure that they're all meant to be the same colour. 241. So they're not actually, are they? Some are lighter than others. That could be for my little project I had in mind. I've got some of this lovely blue, which I just think of as Sonic the Hedgehog blue. And that might give you a clue as to what I might be making. Where's the colour number? There it is. Hiding. It was all rucked up. 239, and I've got two of those blues, number 239. They come in these lovely little organza bags, but they stuffed them so full that you only had to move it slightly and it will come tumbling out. Now this one's a bit on the leery side. I don't know if it looked that leery or not on the actual site. It's colour number 258 and it's a bit on the yellow side. It's a bit neon, really. You Yeah, it's very neon, but yeah, pretty nevertheless. Look at this. Look, see if it's going to show up how neon that really is. But it is. It's very bright. Wow. But that, as they say, is all there is. So say all there is rather a lot. And all I need to do now is find somewhere to put it, because all of my yarn shelving is completely and utterly stuffed full. And let me see, what have we got here? See if I can find the details of, just tells you what I've ordered and the quantities, not the price. I can't remember how much I paid overall, but I didn't pay for fast, I've got a 10% discount code next time, but I didn't pay for fast shipping, but it only took a matter of 2 or 3 days to come. It says here that I ordered it on the 1st. So what is the date today? Honestly, I should know. 4th. So, and I think they tried to deliver it yesterday, because I had a thing through the door, but then I had an email saying it was coming today. So I don't know if they actually tried to deliver this a day early, but it's the only Hermes parcel that I have ordered. So all in all, I've been pretty impressed with LoveCrafts. They've done very well. The postage wasn't ridiculous. Excuse me. Still got a little bit of the lurgy. Yeah, the postage wasn't ridiculous. It wasn't too bad at all. And the actual, they came really, really fast. So quite impressed with that, really. And it's lovely, lovely yarn. But then I had heard people before say that Paintbox is lovely and soft and it's lovely yarn. I shall look forward to working with that. And I've got a project in mind for some of this yarn already. I think I remember what I wanted it for, so watch out for that if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there's new videos. I owe you a tutorial still, and I know that. I haven't forgotten. I'll need the final part of my tote bag. I was going, the people who are making that tote bag or have seen it will know that there are 2 colours involved. I could bring it over and show you, but it's in the bedroom. And I'd edged it in some cotton yarn that I got from Aldi 1 or 2 events ago. And so I'd run out. I didn't think there was enough to finish it. So I was toying with the idea of using the main yarn that I'd used as the edging yarn and the straps, but somebody, one of my lovely subscribers called Carol, offered to send me some. Well, in fact, 2 people, another lovely lady called Nikki offered to send me some as well. But Carol sent it to me and I got that today. She sent me 3 balls of that yarn, so I've got more than enough to do that now. So I figured I'd wait for that yarn to arrive, and it would give my wrist and my hand time to recover, because I'd hurt it recently. And I've done a couple of little tutorials which are fine because they've not been too taxing on the hand, but other than that I've been resting it up. So now I've got the yarn and it's almost better, so watch out for part 3 of the tote bag. I should be doing that very soon. So I'm going to get off before my voice gives up. It's been okay all day, but obviously the excitement of talking about yarn has just about killed it. So thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, bye for now.